Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what I've done to clean up the chargers all over my house. I had smartphone chargers, iPad chargers, Fitbit chargers, just about any charger you can imagine I had plugged in somewhere in my house, and there were cords everywhere. But I've got a charging station now that's consolidated all that to one place and keeps it nice and neat. Before we get into the details on that charging station though, I'm Jason and this is the Living High Tech YouTube channel. On this channel, I share product reviews like this one. I also do videos walking you step by step through setting up your own smart home devices and tell you what products are coming out next. So if you like the video and want more, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Also be sure to check out the link in the description of the video for the products I've mentioned and anything I may have forgot to say. Now, let's get started looking at this charging station. All right, well this is it. It's the Hercules Tuff charging station. You can see it here in front of me. I've got my son's Galaxy S8 sitting next to it just to give you some idea how big it is. It's a pretty compact design, and I've got it sitting on my nightstand right next to an alarm clock. It doesn't take up a lot of room, but gives us space to charge up to 6 devices at one time. So there's 6 slots across the top of it, each one with these clear plastic dividers between them. You can take those dividers out if you needed room for a larger device, but even my daughter's phone with a OtterBox and a pop socket on the back still fits in here okay. It's a little snug, but you can get it in and out okay. There's 6 charging ports on the side. It came with 2 each of USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning charging cables, but we had to pick up a couple extra cables because we needed more USB-C. So one of the slots doesn't really get used on here very often because I've got my watch charger plugged in. But again, it keeps everything in one place. On the back of here, there's a little switch. This isn't a power switch. This switch actually turns the LEDs on and off. So there's an LED that lights up the clear plastic divider in the back when it's powered on. And then when you plug your device in, it'll light up while it's charging. Once your device is fully charged, that light will turn off. So I keep these turned off because I keep it in my bedroom and I don't want it lighting up the room at night. Now let's talk about the charging performance of this station for a minute. It's rated at 2.4 amps per port. That's considered fast charging. There are faster chargers out there, but some of them are quite a bit more expensive. I ran a little test on this one with a Galaxy S9 Plus, and it charged at a rate of about 1% per minute. So it took me about an hour and a half to go from a dead battery up to a full charge. I also ran a test with 2 devices and 3 devices plugged in, and the number of devices didn't seem to affect the charging performance. So even if you loaded this up with 6 devices, I think you'd still get the same charging performance out of the station. There's several other types of charging stations out there. A lot of them are made of wood or leather, and you have to buy a separate power supply that you put under it or next to it. I really like this because it's all packaged in one small device. It doesn't take up a lot of room on your desk or nightstand, wherever you're going to put it, and it can still charge 6 devices quickly. So go ahead and take a look in the video description. I've got a link to Amazon where you can check it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.